What are we doing today? Something crazy?
Yeah.
Guys, we have this epic Hot Wheels track set up and we're about to launch cars and see which car is going to go around, all the way around, down this, through here, into this loop and make a jump here and then end at the finish line right there. Do you think we're going to have a car that's going to finish everything?
Yes.
Alright, perfect. Let's do this. Got so many cars, so let's pick 10 for the race. Okay. Let's do it. Let's see how many you got in here.
One.
Wow. Alright, you're going to pick that one?
Yep. One.
One.
Two.
2. 3. We got 3.
4.
Pretty fast looking cars. 4.
5.
That's 5. This Hot Wheels car?
No.
This is fast lane. Sure, we can include that one too. Why not? Did that one. What else we got?
6.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.
7.
7. 8.
Whoa. That's a nice car.
9.
9 is nice too. Okay. And the final car to enter this crazy race is that one.
10.
10. There's our 10 cars. The 10 that are gonna be in this race. So let's do it. Let's put these guys away and let's get the race on the way. Okay, which is the first car?
This one.
That one. Okay. I got the boosters activated. I'm gonna follow the car around the track. I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh! Alright, didn't make it too far. Let's give it another try. We're gonna give it another shot, this car.
Okay, I'm gonna give it 2 speed.
Okay. Let's see. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! I'm gonna give it another push, slow push. No. Oh, it fell out there. So that one didn't make it too far.
Oh, this is unbended, that's why.
Okay, that's fine. Well, this car ended up just over here. So that's not too far because it needs to get down and around. So it's got a long way to go. Let's go. Next car.
This one.
The green one. Okay.
That is so tiny.
Okay, see what happens.
I'm gonna give it 3 speed.
Okay. Speed number 3. Well, these cars didn't work out. This is not a Hot Wheels car, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is. Okay, so that one ended up there. Should we give it another try like the other one? Sure.
Yeah.
There you go. Try speed number 2 on your booster here.
Okay.
So you got 1 and 2 and 3. So
2.
that's 2. Okay. Nope, didn't make it too far. So that one ends there. Let's go. Next car. Next car. Here we go. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it to 1.
Okay, because we need cars to make it all the way down here. Come on, there's got to be a car that's going to do that. No, 1's not going to do it, buddy. You got to go to 3.
3.
Here we go.
Here's
Here we go. Okay, let's give this guy another chance. Let's go to 2 then.
2.
Okay, here we go. Didn't make it, but it made it farther than this car. Let's go to the next one. The red one. Okay, here we go.
3. Give it 3 speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. 3. That's good enough for it.
Okay. My bad. Try one more time.
Okay.
I kind of clipped it here. Touched it. My bad. Let me back up a little more and try it. Okay, here we go. That one's going. Yup, it made it. It made it. Yup. Oh no! It stopped right here just before this final booster and the final jump over to the last section. So what do we do? Do we give this guy another chance or do we end him here? Because right now he's number 1 car.
Will you give it another chance?
You sure? Alright. But then he loses his number 1 spot if he stops somewhere else. So that's fine. Set up to number 3. Let me activate this booster here. And let's do it.
Okay.
Whoa, it's going. It's going. It's coming down. Into the booster. Whoa. Oh, that's epic, dude.
It stopped right there.
Yep. So that's number 1 car so far. Let's go to the next car.
Okay.
That one did really well. So let's reactivate these guys.
Okay, this one.
Hold on. Which one? Show it to me. Oh, that looks mean. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna give it 3 speed right now. Then I'm gonna give it 2 speed, 1 speed.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, that car's too big.
I don't think that's a Hot Wheels car. That's why it's not really working. So it's got to be Hot Wheels.
It is hot. It is.
It is? Okay, well, it's not working. Try another one.
So I'm just gonna try it.
It's too wide. It's too wide, buddy. It's not going to work. Just try another car. That one does not work. Too bad, so sad. Okay, next one. Purple one. Okay, here we go. Ooh, didn't make it too far, just like these two. Let's try it one more time. Let's give it another chance. Ready?
Yep.
Nope. Ended up all the way here. All right, next one.
It ended up over there.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
The yellow one. Mustang. Here we go.
So close to my favorite car. It's so close to my favorite car.
Really?
It's so close.
Okay. Oh, this guy spun off here again. Let's give it one more chance to the Mustang.
Oh, this is not right. Oh, yeah. It's supposed to be facing that way.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, the Mustang can't make the turn. So it stops here with all these ones. Here we go. What's the next one?
This one.
Oh, the gold purple one. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. If this one doesn't fit, I'm gonna freak out. No, it does fit. Okay. Please.
Oh, try number 2 for this one. If not, then it's not gonna happen. They just can't make this turn. Can't make this turn. Here we go.
Okay. Please.
Oh, I'm gonna give it another boost. Come on, buddy. Let's see what you can do. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, it didn't beat the other one, but it came really close. So this one's number 1 still, and this one's number 2. Wow. Okay, we got 2 cars left. Let's do it. Oh, that one. That one looks
Is this
fast.
one gonna fit?
Okay, let me activate the boosters.
Do I start it to 1?
No, just go to 2, 3 like the other ones. Okay. Jumped off the track. Let's give it another try.
The last car. Do I did it too?
Yeah. Sure. Oh, it got stuck in here. So that one ends there. Okay, next one. And the last one, actually.
This is my favorite car.
Your favorite car. The Dodge Challenger. Wow, let's do it. Let's see what it's got.
Please, trust me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's coming down. jumps. Oh, it actually did really well because it finished third. Number 1 car, number 2, and number 3, the Dodge Challenger. Those are our top 3 cars in this race.
Okay.
That was pretty cool. Okay, say bye.
Bye.